Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now I'm just doing a quick little video. We're helping out a customer of ours where we're doing some cover-ups, right? They've got this logo here and we're just pressing this transfer over. Now obviously our UltraColour transfers can come with a blocker on the back. Now this is really important because one, it stops that dye migration coming through, but more importantly, it'll actually stop you seeing that logo underneath. Nobody wants to see what's underneath, right? A bit like underwear. Now guys, a couple of things. I'm going to place this down over the top. You make sure it's big enough, right, just to cover the logo. But there's a couple of things we've got to consider when we're pressing a shirt like this, and this is why I want to show you. One, you can see this is a singlet, so obviously it's got thicker sort of sleeves just right here, the seams right here, so they're going to take a bit of pressure. So I'm going to make sure that I've got good pressure on this press here. And also because it's sublimated, guys, make sure that you're using a cover as well. A bit of parchment paper, something like this. We supply this through Velflex, but you might use Teflon or something like that. Make sure you're putting it over the top because otherwise you're going to get this sublimation ink embedding into your top plate, and then when you do your next job, you know, it might be a light colored fabric, that ink is going to come back down and stain. Now a couple of things, guys. I'm using this parchment paper, it's quite thick, so I'm placing it over the top. I'm going to give this 2 presses, guys. I'm wanting to make sure that the glue is really well melted in, and now we're using our UltraColour glue, so I'm pressing 150 10 seconds. First press, so I'm going to pop that up, peel it off, and you can see, guys, that dye that's coming through. Peel the transfer, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to give that a second press, okay? And I'm doing this because I'm making sure that this press is absolutely bonded in. These shirts are going to be washed, put through hot wash, you know, warm washers. Someone might tumble dry them when they shouldn't, that sort of thing. We know what uniform sports shirts are like. Guys, that's how you do a cover-up, using the UltraColour with a blocker on the back to stop that dye migration coming through. We up the pressure to make sure we get really good pressure because we've got these seams here, and also make sure that you're using some paper to stop that dye coming through that embeds itself in the top plate so that the next job that you do is protected. Cheers, guys. Anything else, check out our website, give us a call.